Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I want to show you how you can change your username in your Threads profile for your PC. So open your preferred web browser and go on and log into your Threads profile or account from their website. So this is a home page and should look somewhat similar to yours. So now what you're going to do is on the left side the page, you're gonna click on the profile icon right there. Right, so when you click it, you're gonna click on edit profile. So if you want to edit your username, just click on it and we'll replace something or edit it. Right, but if you used your Instagram to log into your Threads account, then you have to change your Instagram username so that the Threads username can also be the same as your Instagram. Look at this. If I click on this, what it says is your name is linked to the Instagram account and cannot be changed here. That means you need to go to the Instagram and change from here. So this is my account, and what I'm gonna do is change my change my username from here, and when that happens your Threads profile will automatically have a new and updated username. If this content helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.